everyone, welcome to my channel Hindi CBSE Classroom. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button next to it so that you will get notification whenever I post a new video. I have created separate playlist in my channel for each and every class separately. So please check the description box below and select accordingly. So let's start today's topic. Today's topic is Class 8, Chapter 14, Akhbari Lota. Lota means it's a water container vessel, just like pot but made of steel, bronze or like that. You can see the picture. So this is Lota. So Akhbari Lota means Akbar's, the King Akbar's Lota. So let's start. लाला झाऊलाल को खाने पीने की कमी नहीं थी. Lala Jawlal didn't have the scarcity of food and drink, food and water. काशी के ठठेरी बाज़ार में मकान था. So he had a house in the ठठेरी market. नीचे की दुकानों से 100 रुपये मासिक के करीब किराया उतर आता था. So he also had shops under his house. So he used to get 100 rupees monthly rent from the shops below. So this is an old story. That's why 100 rupees, because 100 rupees at those time was enough. अच्छा खाते थे, अच्छा पहनते थे, पर 250 रुपये तो एक साथ आँख सेकने के लिए भी नया मिलते थे. 250 मीन्स 250 रुपीज़. So he used to drink, sorry, he used to eat very well, he used to wear good clothes, but he hadn't seen 250 rupees at once, because that was little tough, because he would get only 100 rupees monthly income. इसलिए जब उनकी पत्नी ने एक दिन एकाएक 250 रुपये की मांग पेश की, तब उनका जी एक बार ज़ोर से सनसनाया और फिर बैठ गया. So that's why when suddenly one day when his wife suddenly asked him for 250 rupees at once, his heart shook for a second and then stopped. उनकी यह दशा देखकर पत्नी ने कहा, डरिए मत, आप देने में असमर्थ हो तो मैं अपने भाई से मांग लूँगी. So seeing his condition, what his wife said? His wife said, don't get scared. If you can't give, then I'll ask my brother. लाला झाऊलाल तिलमिला उठे. So he felt very bad because his wife is telling, if you can't give, I'll ask my brother. उन्होंने रोब के साथ कहा, अजी हटो, 250 रुपये के लिए भाई से भीख मांगोगी, मुझसे ले लेना. So Lala Jawlal said with authority. Rob means with authority. Arey no, you will beg from your brother for just 250 rupees. You can take it from me. लेकिन मुझे इसी ज़िंदगी में चाहिए. So now his wife is taunting. But I want this in this life itself. अजी इसी सप्ताह में ले लेना. Take it this week itself. सप्ताह से आपका तात्पर्य 7 दिन से है या 7 वर्ष से है? By week, by 7 days, what do you mean? By 7 days or 7 years? लाला झाऊलाल ने रोब के साथ खड़े होते हुए कहा, आज से 7वें दिन मुझसे 250 रुपये ले लेना. So Lala Jawlal stood up angrily and said, take 250 rupees 7 days from today. You can take 250 rupees from me 7 days from today. लेकिन जब 4 दिन ज्यों त्यों में यूं ही बीत गए और रुपयों का कोई प्रबंध न हो सका, तब उन्हें चिंता होने लगी. But when 4 days had passed very quickly, but there was no arrangement of money made, then he started worrying. प्रश्न अपनी प्रतिष्ठा का था. So it was a matter of his reputation now. प्रतिष्ठा means reputation. अपने ही घर में अपनी साख का था. So it was a matter of his reputation in his own house. देने का पक्का वादा करके अगर अब दे न सके तो अपने मन में वह क्या सोचेगी? If I won't be able to keep up my promise, then what will she think about me in her mind, about me? उसकी नज़रों में उसका क्या मूल्य रह जाएगा? What will be his value in her eyes? अपनी वाहवाही के सैकड़ों गाथाएं सुना चुके थे. So he had already narrated hundreds of stories about him. अब जो एक काम पड़ा तो चारों खाने चित हो रहे हैं. But now when it's time to show, nothing is working. वह पहली बार उसने मुंह खोलकर कुछ रुपयों का सवाल किया था. यह पहली बार, that is, this was the first time she had openly asked for a few rupees. इस समय अगर दुम दबाकर निकल भागते हैं तो फिर उसे क्या मुंह दिखलाएंगे? And if at this time, only first time she had asked me some money, and at this time if I run out hiding my face, then how I'll show my face to her again? खैर, एक दिन और बीता. Well, one more day passed. 5वें दिन घबराकर उन्होंने पंडित बिलवासी मिश्र को अपनी विपदा सुनाई. So he panicked on 5th day because now only 2 more days are there. So he panicked on 5th day and he narrated his calamity or his problem to Pandit Bilwasi Mishra, who was his friend. संयोग means coincidence. संयोग कुछ ऐसा बिगड़ा था कि बिलवासी जी भी उस समय बिल्कुल खुख थे. खुख थे means very dry, was having no money. So the situation was very bad that even Bilwas ji was not having enough money for him. He was very dry. उन्होंने कहा, मेरे पास है तो नहीं, पर मैं कहीं से मांग जांच कर लाने की कोशिश करूँगा, और अगर मिल गया तो कल शाम को तुमसे मकान पर मिलूँगा. So he told, I don't have money, but I'll try to bring some after asking some people, and if I get some, I'll see you at the house tomorrow evening. वही शाम आज थी. So the same evening was today. He had told tomorrow. So tomorrow evening had come. हफ्ते का अंतिम दिन. So this was the last day of the week and tomorrow he has to give his wife money. कल 250 रुपये या तो गिन देना है या सारी हेंकड़ी से हाथ धोना है. So either tomorrow I have to count 250 rupees and give it to her, or lose all my prestige or dignity. So I have only 2 options left. यह सच है कि कल रुपया न आने पर उनकी स्त्री उन्हें डामल फांसी न कर देगी, केवल ज़रा सा हंस देगी. So it is true that if he won't be able to give money tomorrow, his wife won't hang him to death. She'll only laugh a little. पर वह कैसी हंसी होगी कल्पना मात्र से झाऊलाल में मरोड़ पैदा हो जाती है. But how she would laugh, imagining that itself feels like death for him. आज शाम को पंडित बिलवासी मिश्र को आना था. So पंडित बिलवासी मिश्रा had to come this evening. यदि ना आए तो, if he didn't come, because he had told if he'll get some then only he will come in the evening. या कहीं रुपये का प्रबंध वह ना कर सके तो, if he couldn't manage to get money, what will I do then? इसी उधेड़ बुन में पड़े लाला झाऊलाल छत पर टहल रहे थे. Thinking all these things, लाला झाऊलाल was walking on his terrace. कुछ प्यास मालूम हुई. He felt thirsty. उन्होंने नौकर को आवाज़ दी. He called servant to bring water. नौकर नहीं था, खुद उनकी पत्नी पानी लेकर आई. So there was no servant. So his wife brought water from him. वह पानी तो ज़रूर लाई, पर ग्लास लाना भूल गई थी. She brought water, but she forgot to bring glass. केवल लोटे में पानी लिए वह प्रकट हुई. So this is the lota we were talking about. So what she brought water but forgot to bring glass. She came with lota, that is water vessel. She came with that water vessel in her hand. फिर लौटा भी संयोग से वह जो अपनी बेढंगी सूरत के कारण लाला झाऊलाल को सदा से नापसंद था. So Lala Jawlal hated this water vessel because of its clumsy appearance. It was very bad looking. He didn't like the lota at all. था तो नया, it was new. साल 2 साल का ही बना, पर कुछ ऐसी गढ़न उस लोटे की थी कि उसका बाप डमरू या माँ चिलम रही हो. So like It was very brand new. It was only 2 years old, but it was in very such bad shape of the pot that it was looking as if his father was drunk, because it was in a very bad shape. लाला ने लोटा ले लिया, बोले कुछ नहीं, अपनी पत्नी का अदब मानते थे. अदब मीन्स respect, honor. Lala took the pot and he said nothing that I dislike drinking in this pot and all. He didn't say anything because he respected his wife. मानना ही चाहिए and he should respect his wife. इसी को सभ्यता कहते हैं. This is called civilization. जो पति अपनी पत्नी का ना हुआ वह पति कैसे? The husband who won't give his wife value, then how can be he called husband? फिर उन्होंने यह भी सोचा कि लोटे में पानी दे तब भी गनीमत है. So he also thought that giving water in a lota is also not like giving respect to him. अभी अगर चूर कर देता हूँ तो बाल्टी में भोजन मिलेगा. If I'll say something now, I'll get food in bucket tomorrow. तब क्या करना बाकी रह जाएगा. Then what will I do then? लाला अपना गुस्सा पीकर पानी पीने लगा. So he started drinking water and drank his anger also with that. उस समय वह छत के मुंडेर के पास ही खड़े थे. So at that time he was standing at the near the roof boundary. मुंडेर means the boundary wall will be there, no, in the terrace, that one. जिन बुजुर्गों ने पानी पीने के संबंध में यह नियम बनाए थे कि खड़े खड़े पानी न पियो, सोते समय पानी न पियो, दौड़ने के बाद पानी न पियो, उन्होंने पता नहीं कभी यह भी नियम बनाया था या नहीं कि छत की मुंडेर के पास खड़े होकर पानी न पियो. So the elders who made lots and lots of rules that regarding drinking water, that do not stand and drink water, do not drink water at bedtime, do not drink water after running. I just wonder they have never made a rule whether or not we should drink water standing on terrace. जान पड़ता है कि इस महत्वपूर्ण विषय पर उन लोगों ने कुछ नहीं कहा. It seems that they have not said anything on this important subject. लाला जाऊलाल मुश्किल से 2-1 घूंट पी पाए होंगे कि ना जाने कैसे उनका हाथ हिल उठा और लोटा छूट गया. लाला would have only sipped like 2 to 3 gulps of water, and what happened? The pot fell down from his hand. His hand shook and the pot fell down on the ground. Ground means it fell down. लोटे ने दाई देखा ना बाई. लोटा, that is लोटा did not look right or left. वह नीचे गली की ओर चल पड़ा. It fell down the street. अपने वेग में उल्का को उलझाता हुआ वह आंखों से ओझल हो गया. आज ओझल means disappeared. So blushing in its path, it disappeared from their eyes because of its high speed. वेग means speed. लज्जाता means blushing. किसी ज़माने में न्यूटन नाम के किसी खुराफाती ने पृथ्वी की आकर्षण शक्ति नाम की एक चीज़ इजाद की थी. So now he is cursing Newton. He is telling once upon a time a fraudster named Newton attached something called gravity to earth. That's why everything is falling down. कहना ना होगा कि यह सारी शक्ति इस समय लोटे के पक्ष में थी. So all this gravity power was favoring pot now, favoring that lota now. लाला को काटो तो बदन में खून नहीं. If you cut Lala right now, there won't be any blood left because he was very scared. ऐसी चलती हुई गली में ऊंचे तिमंजले से भरे हुए लोटे का गिरना हंसी खेल नहीं. So in such a moving street, the falling of a pot filled with water from the top floor was not a silly thing to laugh upon. It was very dangerous because it was a moving street. यह लोटा न जाने किस अनाधिकारी के झोपड़े पर काशीवास का संदेश लेकर पहुंचेगा. Don't know where this lota will fall down and cause someone's death. काशीवास का संदेश मीन्स इट विल कॉज समवंस डेथ। कुछ हुआ भी ऐसा ही, समथिंग सिमिलर हैपेंड। गली में जोर का हल्ला उठा, देयर वॉज ए लाउड साउंड इन द स्ट्रीट्स। लाला झावलाल जब तब दौड़कर नीचे उतरे तब तक एक भारी भीड़ उनके आंगन में घुस आई। When Lala Jawaharlal ran down to his courtyard, the same time a huge crowd entered his courtyard. लाला जावलाल ने देखा कि इस भीड़ में प्रधान पात्र एक अंग्रेज है जो नक्शीक से भीगा हुआ है और जो अपने एक पैर को हाथ में सहलाता हुआ दूसरे पैर पर नाच रहा है। So Lala Jao saw that the main character in this crowd was an Englishman, was a foreigner, who was totally wet from up to down till his toenails, and he was dancing on one leg. Why? Because his another leg was injured and he was massaging or holding one leg with another hand. उसी के पास अपराधी लौटे को भी देखकर लाला झावलाल जी ने फौरन दो और दो जोड़कर स्थिति को समझ लिया। So seeing the criminal Lota with him, Lala Jawaharlal ji immediately understood the situation and what happened. गिरने के पूर्व लोटा एक दुकान के साइबान से टकराया। So when the pot fell down from his hand, first it hit a shop's shed. साइबान means shed. वहाँ टकराकर उस दुकान पर खड़े उस अंग्रेज को उसने सांगोपांग स्टैंड मीन्स फ्रॉम हेड टू टो कराया और फिर उसी के बूट पर आ गिरा। सो आफ्टर हिटिंग द शॉप शेड इट गेव अ बाथ टू द इंग्लिशमैन स्टैंडिंग एट द शॉप एंड देन फेल ऑन हिज बूट मीन्स दैट बी शूज। उस अंग्रेज को जब मालूम हुआ कि लाला जावलाल की ही इस लोटे के मालिक हैं तब उसने केवल एक काम किया। सो व्हेन द फॉरेनर केम टू नो दैट द लाला जावलाल इज द ओनर ऑफ दैट पॉट, देन ही डिड ओनली वन थिंग। व्हाट ही डिड? अपने मुंह को खोलकर खुला छोड़ दिया। ही ओपनड हिज माउथ एंड left it open. What does that mean? He started abusing the Lala Jawaharlal. He kept on abusing means saying bad things about Lala. लाला जावलाल को आज ही यह मालूम हुआ कि अंग्रेजी भाषा में गालियों का ऐसा प्रकांड कोश है। On the same day today, only Lala Jawaharlal came to know that there are lots of abusive words in English language. इसी समय पंडित बिलवासी मिश्र भीड़ को चीरते हुए आंगन में आते दिखाई पड़े। So at the same time, Pandit Bilwasi Mishra came to the courtyard, tearing the crowd apart. उन्होंने आते ही पहला काम यह किया कि उस अंग्रेज को छोड़कर और जितने आदमी आंगन में घुस आए थे सबको बाहर निकाल दिया। So when the Bilwasi, his friend, entered, what he did, the first thing he did was that as soon as he arrived there, he kept the Englishman inside. That is, he kept the foreign man inside and threw out all the other people who entered the courtyard. फिर आंगन में कुर्सी रखकर उन्होंने साहब से कहा. Then he kept the chair in his courtyard, in the Lalaji's courtyard, and he said to the foreigner, आपके पैर में शायद कुछ चोट आ गई है, अब आप आराम से कुर्सी पर बैठ जाइए. There might be some injury in your leg. Now sit down comfortably in the chair. साहब बिलवासी जी को धन्यवाद देते हुए बैठ गए और लाला झावलाल की ओर इशारा कर कर बोले. So साहिब thanked बिलवासी जी and he sat down and pointing towards the Lala Jawaharlal, he asked, आप इस शख्स को जानते हैं? He asked, you know this person? बिल्कुल नहीं, और मैं ऐसे आदमी को जानना भी नहीं चाहता जो निरीह राह चलतों पर लोटे का वार करे. He said, no, not at all, and I don't even want to know such a person who throws vessels on innocent people walking on the streets. मेरी समझ में he is a dangerous lunatic, यानी एक खतरनाक पागल है. So according to me, he is a dangerous lunatic. Lunatic means a mad person. नहीं, मेरी समझ में he is a dangerous criminal. नहीं, यह खतरनाक मुजरिम है. So the foreigner is telling, no, according to me he is a dangerous criminal. परमात्मा ने लाला जावलाल की आंखों को इस समय कहीं देखने के साथ खाने की भी शक्ति दे दी होती तो यह निश्चय है कि अब तक बिलवासी जी को वह अपनी आंखों से खा चुके होते। इफ गॉड हैड गिवन लाला जावलाल्स आइज द पावर टू सी एंड ईट समवन एट द सेम टाइम, then it was certain that by now Bilwasi ji would have been eaten by Lalaji's eyes, because he was feeling very very angry on whom? Bilwasi. वह कुछ समझ नहीं पाते थे कि बिलवासी जी को इस समय क्या हो गया है. So he was not understanding what has happened to Bilwas ji at this time. साहब ने बिलवासी जी से पूछा तो क्या करना चाहिए. सो साहेब दैट इज फॉरनर आस्क्ड बिलवासी जी, देन व्हाट शुड वी डू नाउ. पुलिस में इस मामले को रिपोर्ट कर दीजिए जिससे यह आदमी फौरन हिरासत में लिया जाए. हिरासत मीन्स अरेस्ट. So Bilwas ji said, report this matter to the police so that this man would immediately be taken into custody. पुलिस स्टेशन है कहाँ? बट वेयर इज़ द पुलिस स्टेशन? पास ही है, चलिए मैं बताऊँ. सो बिलवास जी सेड, इट इज़ क्लोज, लेट मी टेक यू. चलिए, द फॉरनर सेड, लेट्स गो. अभी चला. आपकी इजाज़त हो तो पहले मैं इस लोटे को इस आदमी से खरीद लूँ. क्यों जी, बेचोगे? मैं 50 रुपये तक इसके दाम दे सकता हूँ. So he said, come let's go. Bilwas ji said, come let's go, but if you permit me, first let me buy this water container, that is this lota, from this man. Will you sell this? So he's asking Lala, will you sell this? I can give up to 50 rupees. So लाला जावलाल तो चुप रहे, पर साहिब ने पूछा, इस रद्दी लोटे का आप 50 रुपये क्यों दे रहे हैं? So लाला जावलाल didn't say anything, he kept quiet. But Sahib, that is foreigner asked, why are you paying 50 rupees for this waste container? आप इस लोटे को रद्दी बताते हैं. So Biswal ji Pandit is asking, you call this container a trash, a waste? I am surprised. आश्चर्य, I am surprised. मैं तो आपको एक विज्ञ और सुशिक्षित आदमी समझता था. I considered you a scientist and well-educated man. आखिर बात क्या है? कुछ बताइए भी. So foreigner is asking, what is the matter? Tell me something, then only I would know, right? Why you are paying 50 rupees? जनाब, यह एक ऐतिहासिक लोटा जान पड़ता है. जान क्या पड़ता है? मुझे पूरा विश्वास है. So now he is making up story. Who is making up story? The Pandit. Bilwas ji is making up a story. Sir, he is telling, sir, it looks like a historical piece of vessel. Not think, I don't think, I am sure it is. यह वह प्रसिद्ध अकबरी लोटा है जिसकी तलाश में संसार भर के म्यूजियम परेशान हैं. So this is the famous Akbari lota for which all the museums all over the world are searching for, or they are worried where it is. यह बात, is it? जी जनाब, 16वीं शताब्दी की बात है. यस सर, इट इज़ a 16th century. What happened? बादशाह हुमायूं शेरशाह से हार कर भागा था और सिंध के रेगिस्तान में मारा फिर रहा था. So Emperor Humayun had ran away from Sher Shah and he was living in the desert of Sindh. He was struggling there. एक अवसर पर प्यास से उसकी जान निकल रही थी. At one point of time he was dying of thirst. उस समय एक ब्राह्मण ने इसी लोटे में पानी पिलाकर उसकी जान बचाई थी. At that time a Brahmin saved his life by giving him water from this same lota. हुमायूं के बाद अकबर ने उस ब्राह्मण का पता लगाकर उससे इस लोटे को ले लिया और इसके बदले में उसे इसी प्रकार के 10 सोने के लोटे प्रदान किए. सो आफ्टर हियरिंग दिस, हुमायूं's son, that is Akbar, traced the Brahmin who had given water to the Humayun and took this lota from him, and in return he gave the Brahmin 10 similar lota, but that were made of gold, because it was a great value to the Akbar. And why? Because that lota saved his father's life. यह लोटा सम्राट अकबर को बहुत प्यारा था. दिस लोटा वॉज वेरी डियरर टू द एम्परर अकबर. इसी से इसका नाम अकबरी लोटा पड़ा. दैट्स वाई दिस लोटा वॉज नेम्ड अकबरी लोटा. वह बराबर इसी से वजू करता था. ही यूज टू गिव वेरी इंपॉर्टेंस टू दिस. सन 57 तक इसके शाही घराने में रहने का पता है. So it is known to remain in his royal family until the year of 57. पर इसके बाद लापता हो गया. But after that it went missing. लापता means missing. कलकत्ता के म्यूजियम में इसका प्लास्टर का मॉडल रखा हुआ है. A model of plaster is kept in the museum in Calcutta because the real one is missing. पता नहीं ये लोटा इस आदमी के पास कैसे आया. बट डोंट नो हाउ दिस लोटा केम टू दिस मैन. म्यूजियम वालों को पता चले तो फैंसी दाम देकर खरीद ले जाए. इफ म्यूजियम पीपल विल नो अबाउट इट, दे विल बाय फ्रॉम हिम एट अ फैंसी प्राइस. इस विवरण को सुनते सुनते साहब की आंखों पर लोभ और आश्चर्य का ऐसा प्रभाव पड़ा कि वह कोड़ी के आकार से बढ़कर पकौड़ी के आकार हो गई. सो हियरिंग ऑल दिस स्टोरी, all the description and story, his greed and surprise of the Sahib's eyes had such an effect on his eyes that the eyes grew from the shape of a coin or penny to the shape of a pakoda. उसने बिलवासी जी से पूछा, तो आप इस लोटे का क्या करिएगा? So he asked बिलवासी जी, so what will you do with this लोटा? मुझे पुरानी और ऐतिहासिक चीज़ों के संग्रह का शौक है. I am fond of collecting old and historical things. मुझे भी पुरानी और ऐतिहासिक चीज़ों के संग्रह करने का शौक है. So the foreigner is telling, I am also fond of collecting old and historical things. जिस समय यह लोटा मेरे ऊपर गिरा था उस समय मैं यही कर रहा था. So the moment this lota fell on me, I was doing the same thing at that time. उस दुकान में पीतल की कुछ पुरानी मूर्तियाँ खरीद रहा था. I was buying some old brass statue from that shop at that time. जो कुछ हो, लोटा मैं ही खरीदूंगा. So the pandit is saying, whatever it is, but I'll buy the लोटा. वाह, आप कैसे खरीदेंगे? मैं खरीदूंगा, यह मेरा हक है. So foreigner is telling, wow, how will you buy? I will buy. That's my right. हक है, right? ज़रूर हक है. यह बताइए कि इस लोटे के पानी से आपने स्नान किया या मैंने? So the foreigner is asking, telling, yeah, this is definitely my right. Tell me who took bath with the water in the vessel? आपने, you. यह वह आपके पैरों पर गिरा या मेरे? It fell on your feet or mine? आपके, yours. अंगूठा उसने आपका भुरता किया या मेरा? Whose thumb it wounded? Yours or mine? आपका, yours. इसलिए उसे खरीदने का हक मेरा है. So that's why I have the right to buy it, because I took bath from it. It fell on my feet. It wounded my thumb. So I have the right to buy it. यह सब बकवास है. All this is rubbish. दाम लगाइए, जो अधिक दे वह ले जाइए. Rate it. Whoever pays more, they'll take it with them. यही सही. आप इसका 50 रुपये लगा रहे हैं, मैं 100 देता हूँ. So foreigner said, that's right. If you are giving 50 rupees for it, I'll give 100. मैं 150 देता हूँ. So he's telling, I'll give 150. मैं 200 देता हूँ. I'll give 200. अजी, मैं 250 देता हूँ. यह कहकर बिलवासी जी ने 250 के नोट लाला जावलाल के आगे फेंक दिए. So saying this, he said, I'll give 250 rupees. Saying this, what Bilwasi did, Bilwasi ji threw 200 rupees note in front of Lala Jawlal, just like showing off. Sahib ko bhi tav aa gaya. He also felt like showing off. What he did? On hearing this, Sahib said, if you give, what he said? उसने कहा आप 250 देते हैं तो मैं 500 देता हूँ. He said if you give 250 then I'll give 500 rupees. अब चलिए, now let's see. बिलवासी जी अफसोस के साथ अपने रुपए उठाने लगे, मानो अपनी आशाओं की लाश उठा रहे हों. So on hearing this, what he did, Bilwasi ji took his money back with regret, as if he was taking the dead body of his hopes. And साहिब की ओर देखकर उन्होंने कहा, and looking at the साहिब he said, लोटा आपका हुआ, लोटा is yours, ले जाइए, take it. मेरे पास 250 से अधिक नहीं है. I don't have money more than 250 rupees. यह सुनना था कि साहिब के चेहरे पर प्रसन्नता की कूंची गिर गई. So on hearing this, there was a throb of joy on साहिब्स face. His face was filled with joy. उसने झपट कर लोटा लिया और बोला. He jumped and snatched the लोटा and said, अब मैं हंसता हुआ अपने देश लौटूंगा. Now I will return to my country very happily laughing. मेजर डगलस की डींग सुनते सुनते मेरे कान पक गए हैं. डींग मीन्स बोस्टिंग. बोस्टिंग मीन्स टेलिंग बिग थिंग्स अबाउट themselves. So he tell, now I'll return to my country laughing. I am bored of listening to Major Douglas boast. Major Douglas कौन है? So the पंडित जी is asking, who is Major Douglas? Major Douglas मेरे पड़ोसी हैं. पुरानी चीज़ों के संग्रह करने में मेरी उनकी होड़ रहती है. So Major Douglas is my neighbor. We keep competing each other in collecting old things. गत वर्ष वे हिंदुस्तान आए थे. लास्ट ईयर ही हैड कम टू इंडिया और यहाँ से जहांगीरी अंडा ले गए. एंड ही टुक द जहांगीरी एग फ्रॉम हियर. जहांगीरी अंडा, जहांगीरी एग. सो इज वंडरिंग, पंडित जी इज वंडरिंग, बिलवास पंडित जी इज वंडरिंग व्हाट इज दैट. हाँ, जहांगीरी अंडा. मेजर डगलस ने समझ रखा था कि हिंदुस्तानी से वह ही अच्छी चीज़ें ले सकते हैं. यस, जहांगीरी एग. Major Douglas had thought that only he can get good things from India. Even I can get that. पर जहांगीरी अंडा है क्या? So he is asking, but what is जहांगीरी egg? आप जानते ही होंगे. So now foreigner is explaining what is जहांगीरी egg. आप जानते ही होंगे कि एक कबूतर ने नूरजहां से जहांगीर का प्रेम कराया था. So you would have already known that a pigeon made love between जहांगीर and नूरजहां. जहांगीर के पूछने पर कि मेरा एक कबूतर तुमने कैसे उड़ जाने दिया, नूरजहां ने उसके दूसरे कबूतर को उड़ाकर बताया था कि ऐसे. So when Jahangir asked her, how dare you, how you allowed one of my pigeons to fly away? So what Noorjahan replied? Noorjahan showed him by flying one more pigeon and said like this, I flied the earlier one. उसके इस भोलेपन पर जहांगीर दिलोजान से निछावर हो गए. सो ऑन हर दिस इनोसेंस जहांगीर लॉस्ट हिज हार्ट टू हर. उसी क्षण से उसने अपने को नूरजहां के हाथ कर दिया. फ्रॉम दैट मोमेंट ही गेव हिमसेल्फ टू नूरजहां. कबूतर का यह एहसान वह नहीं भूला. ही नेवर फॉरगॉट दिस पिजन्स फेवर बिकॉज ही गेव हिज लव ऑफ हिज लाइफ. उसके एक अंडे को बड़े जतन से रख छोड़ा. He kept one of his pigeon's egg with him because he was very thankful to the pigeon. बाद में वही अंडा जहांगीरी अंडा के नाम से प्रसिद्ध हुआ. Later only this egg was famous as जहांगीर egg. उसी को मेजर डगलस ने पार साल दिल्ली में एक मुसलमान सज्जन से 300 रुपये में खरीदा. So Major Douglas bought it from a Muslim gentleman in Parsel, Delhi for 300 rupees. यह बात, is it? हाँ, पर अब मेरे आगे दून की नहीं ले सकते. Yes, but now he cannot stand in front of me. मेरा अकबरी लोटा उनके जहांगीरी अंडे से भी एक पुश्त पुराना है. But now he cannot stand in front of me because my Akbari lota is a century older than his Jahangiri egg. एक पुश्त मीन्स एक जनरेशन, वन जनरेशन ओल्डर देन जहांगीरी एग। इस रिश्ते से तो आपका लोटा उस अंडे का बाप हुआ। इफ़ यू सी दिस रिलेशनशिप, योर लोटा इज़ द फादर ऑफ दैट एग। साहब ने लाला जावलाल को 500 रुपये देकर अपनी राह ली। सो साहेब गेव लाला जी 500 रुपीज़ एंड ही वेंट। लाला जावलाल का चेहरा इस समय देखने बनता था। यू शुड हैव सीन लाला जावलाल्स फेस एट दिस टाइम। जान पड़ता था कि मुंह पर 6 दिन की बड़ी हुई दाढ़ी का एक एक बाल मारे प्रसन्नता से लहरा रहा हो। So it was seemed as if every hair strand of his 6-day long beard was waving in happiness. उन्होंने पूछा, बिलवासी जी मेरे लिए 250 रुपया घर से लेकर आए, पर आपके पास तो थे नहीं। So he asked Bilwas ji, you brought 250 rupees from your home for me, but you didn't had them. इस भेद को मेरे सिवाय मेरा ईश्वर ही जानता है। भेद मीन्स सीक्रेट। So he's telling this secret, only my God knows this secret except me. आप उसी से पूछ लीजिए, मैं नहीं बताऊंगा। You can ask the God itself. I will not tell you. पर आप चले कहाँ? अभी मुझे आपसे काम है 2 घंटे तक। So he's telling, but where are you going? I have worked with you for 2 hours. 2 घंटे तक? For 2 hours? पंडित जी is asking. हाँ, और क्या? अभी मैं आपकी पीठ ठोक कर शाबाशी दूंगा। 1 घंटा इसमें लगेगा। So he's telling, yes, what else? Now I'll pat your back first and praise you. It will take an hour. फिर गले लगाकर धन्यवाद दूंगा। Then I'll hug you and thank you. 1 घंटा इसमें भी लग जाएगा and it will take an hour for that too. अच्छा, पहले 500 रुपये गिनकर सहेज लीजिए। So Bilwas ji is telling, well, first you count and save your 500 rupees. रुपये अगर अपना हो तो उसे सहेजना एक ऐसा सुखद मनमोहक कार्य है कि मनुष्य उस समय सहज में ही तन्मयता प्राप्त कर लेता है। So he is telling, if money is ours, then counting it is such a delightful act that he will find solitude in himself itself, because that is different, but now the money is not his. लाला जावलाल ने अपने कार्य समाप्त करके ऊपर देखा। सो लाला जावल kept on counting and when he finished counting he looked up. पर बिलवास जी इस समय बीच अंतर्धान हो गए। बट इन बिटवीन बिलवास जी हैड गॉन। उस दिन रात्रि में बिलवास जी को देर तक नींद नहीं आई। दैट डे बिलवास जी कुड नॉट स्लीप फॉर लॉन्ग। वे चादर लपेटे चारपाई पर पड़े रहे। He wrapped himself under bedsheet and he lay down for long. वह 1 बजे वह उठे। So he woke up at 1 o'clock. धीरे, बहुत धीरे से अपनी सोई हुई पत्नी के गले से उन्होंने सोने की वह सिकड़ी निकाली जिसमें एक ताली बंधी हुई थी। So slowly he pulled out the golden chain in which there was a key in it. So he pulled out his wife's chain where there was a key tied to it. Then what he did? फिर उसके कमरे में जाकर उन्होंने उस ताली से संदूक खोला। Then he took the key from it and what he did? He went to her room and he opened the chest with that key. So he had taken money from his wife. फिर उसमें 250 के नोट ज्यों के त्यों रखकर उन्होंने उसे बंद कर दिया। Then he closed it by placing 250 rupees notes in it and then he closed it. फिर दबे पांव लौटकर ताली को उन्होंने पूर्वत अपनी पत्नी के गले में डाल दिया। Then what he did? Then he returned back very quietly and kept the key back on his wife's neck. इसके बाद उन्होंने हंसकर अंगड़ाई ली। After this he smiled and took a stretch. दूसरे दिन सुबह 8 बजे तक चैन की नींद सोए। So next day he slept peacefully till 8 o'clock in the morning. So what is the summary? There was a person named Lalaji. He was very happy man. He had everything, not rich, but he was average working man. He had 100 rupees, he could eat well, he had lots of clothes, and there was no problem. But suddenly what happened, his wife asked him for 250 rupees. But Lalaji couldn't afford it because he was getting only monthly 100 rupees. So what he did, he said, okay, I'll give you, but wait for a week. Then wife said, okay, I'll wait for a week. Then he tried to do some arrangement for money for a week, but it didn't happen. And last day, on fifth day, he told his friend Bilwas ji that my wife asked me for some rupees, and I'm not able to arrange it. Can you help me? But Bilwas ji said, I don't have money right now, but I think I'll ask someone and get you. So the Lalaji kept on thinking what to do, and he was just walking in his terrace, and his wife brought him water in some lota. And while he was drinking the water, it accidentally fell from his hand and it dropped on some shop shed, and then it fell down on a foreigner, that is an Englishman's foot got injured, and everybody, including the crowd who were standing there, they came to the Lalaji's courtyard, and they started fighting. That he started cursing and he started abusing. The Englishman started abusing Lalaji. But Bilwasji came, and he was very smart man. Bilwasji was very smart man, and what he did, he asked the Englishman to sit, and he behaved as if he didn't know his friend Lala. And what he did, he told, okay, now let's go to the police station and report a complaint about him. But first, let me buy that lota, because the lota is very special, and then it is an historical piece. Why he did so? Because he wanted to fool Englishmen and gain money that was needed for Lalaji. So what, he made up a story about Akbar, that there was a king named Akbar, and his father Humayun was going on a deserted place, and there he was very thirsty and he was dying of thirst, and one Brahmin came and helped him by giving him water in this lota. And later the Akbar traced for that Brahmin, and at last he found that Brahmin, and he took lota from him, and he kept it very safe in his royal family. But one day it kept on missing, and by accidentally, I think, this man has it. So it was all a lie, because he wanted to cheat, or he wanted to dug that person, that Englishman. He wanted to help his friend, but now he was telling lies and getting money from them. So finally the foreigner believed him, and he started bargaining. So both of them bargained, and at last 500 rupees was fixed for the lota, and the foreigner gave Lalaji 500 rupees. But that time the foreigner also told one story about a Jahangir egg which his neighbor is having, and that was also a lie, because one Muslim person had also fooled one Englishman called Major Douglas. So it is just showing this whole lesson is just showing how people in India simply fool all the foreigners and gain much more money for a simple or for a ordinary thing. They keep on tugging the tourist, and they gain lots of money by just fooling them around, because they believe a lot about culture and historical things. They do spend more on such things, collecting things, and the people take here as an advantage for it, because they don't know anything about India. So whatever the people say here, they believe it, and because they have lot of money, they pay them and get it from them. So same thing had happened to his neighbor also, but this foreigner was thinking it is true, and he told that there was a pigeon who made love between Jahangir and Noor Jahan, and because it made love, it was very special for the Jahangir, and that's why what he did, he kept an egg of the pigeon and in a glass container, and that is Major Douglas is having that glass container with egg. And so Sahib, that is Englishman, felt so happy, and he returned back to his country. Now both of them are talking. Lala and Bilwasji are talking to each other, and they are saying, he thanked him, and he said, I am very thankful to you, and I have to thank you. But Bilwasji left when he was talking. In between, Bilwasji left. Why Bilwasji left? Because he was very nervous, because from where he had took 250 rupees for his friend, from his wife's chest, that is his wife's locker, he had taken. So he need to keep it back. And at what he did at night 1 o'clock, he went near his wife and took key from her chain, and he opened the chest and kept 250 rupees back, closed it and put it back in his wife's neck. Then he felt very relieved, and he stretched himself and slept till 8 o'clock in the morning, because all the problems were solved. So that is a chapter all about. I hope you understood. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.